Question 6. What is the Duke's opinion of Shylock?
Okay. Answer. The Duke considers Shylock a pitiless, merciless, inhuman wretch and a ruthless enemy. Question number 7. Please read out question 7.
Question 7. Whom has Bolero sent to represent him in the case? Why?
Okay. Answer. Bellario has deputed Balthasar, a young doctor from Rome, to preside over the case because he is unwell himself and unable to attend. Question number 8.
Question 8. What does Portia say about being merciful?
Okay, right there important in front of question number 8. And the answer is Portia says that being merciful benefits a king more than his crown or scepter, for mercy cannot be forced but is spontaneous like the gentle rain from heaven. It blesses both him that shows mercy and him that receives it. Mercy is a characteristic of God Himself, and earthly power becomes godlike when man, hmm, what is it? When man who couples justice with mercy. Question number 9. Somebody
Question
please read
9.
out. I mean, you
Why
read
does,
out. Mhm.
why does Shylock shy away from taking his pound of flesh?
Okay. Shylock shies away from taking his pound of flesh because he is told that if he sheds a drop of blood or cuts off anything more or anything less than one exact pound of flesh, then, as per the laws of Venice, his lands and goods will be confiscated by the state of Venice. Question number 10.
Question 10. What is the final judgment in the case?
Question number 10. Answer. Portia's judgment on the case is that since Shylock had refused in the open court to settle the case by accepting his principal 10 times over, he shall have justice as he wanted it. As Shylock, and just a second, as Shylock, an outsider in Venice, had plotted to take the life of a Venetian citizen Antonio, half his goods would go to Antonio, while the other half would go to the state, and only the Duke had the authority to spare Shylock his very life. Clear till here? Now, question
Yes,
number
ma'am.
8, 9, and 10. All three are very important. Okay. Now, come to reference to context. Please read out the reference and then read out all the three questions together.
First, the quality of mercy is not strained. It drops as the gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath it. It is twice bleat. It blesses him that gives and him that takes. Question A. Who is the speaker? Question B. Who is being addressed? Question C. What quality is being talked about and why?
Okay. Answer B1A. The answer is Portia dressed as Balthasar is the speaker. B1B. Shylock is being addressed. B1C. The quality of mercy being talked about is its spontaneity. Nobody can be forced to be merciful. Come to B2, the second part.
Take then thigh pound. Take thigh pound of flesh, but in the cutting it,
It's
if
die.
thigh,
It's the word. Listen. The word is not thigh, it is die. Okay?
but
Die. Okay?
yes, ma'am. But in the cutting it, if thy dost shed one drop of blood, thy lands and goods are by the laws of Venice confiscate unto the state of Venice. Question A. Who is the speaker?
Okay.
Question B. Who is being addressed? And question C. Why will the speaker's lands and goods will be confiscated?
The word is confiscated. Okay? Chhin lena, to take away, is called confiscate. Now, answer 2, B2A is Portia dressed as Balthasar is the speaker. B2B, Shylock is being addressed. B2C, justice here is saving Antonio's life from the spiteful Shylock. Since Shylock does not want even 10 times his money back, but only Antonio's pound of flesh, Portia twists the man-made law stating that the bond does not allow for a single drop of blood or anything more or less than 1 pound of flesh. She also applies the man-made laws that are foreigner that any foreigner who attempts to take the life of a Venetian citizen will have half his goods to go to the citizen he tries to kill and the other half to the state of Venice, with his life being at the mercy of the Duke. Come to the third part.
Tarry Jew, the law hath yet another told on you. It is enacted in the law of Venice. Question A. Who is the speaker? Question B. Who is being referred to as Jew? Question C. What was the another hold of law of Venice on the Jew?
Okay, now the answer is B3A. Portia, dressed as Balthasar, is the speaker. B3B. Shylock is referred to as Jew. B3C. The Jew had attempted to take the life of a Venetian citizen. And B3D. The other hold of the law on the Jew was that any foreigner who attempts to take the life of a Venetian citizen will have half his goods go to the citizen he tries to kill, and the other half to the state of Venice, with his life being at the mercy of the Duke. I hope all these answers are visually clear to each one of you. Plus, even if they are not very clear on the screen while you're doing the work, I have read out these answers. So you can pause after 2, 3 sentences which I say, and you can write that answer. If your speed is not very good, you can pause after every 2, 3 word and you can go write these answers. So now the work in Merchant of Venice should be done. And I'm sorry I forgot to bring the book so that I could have given you the word meanings, which will finally come for the exam. So you can wait